everyone. My name is Songran Ghosh. At the present moment, you can see my hair situation. Earlier, it was a bald state here. I did FUT from a clinic, but the result was not satisfactory at all, and I lost all hope. But I came to know about Alura from one of my friends, and I came here to be very honest, with no hope. But having considered the suggestion by the doctors, I did the hair pigmentation and the hair transplant, and then I slowly saw the result, and now you can see this part. You can see from here clearly visible that the hair has transformed into a different structure within 1 month. So I'm very happy with Alura, and I would suggest everyone to come to Alura. It's not because I have. You will always have other way out, but you can have a suggestion with Alura doctors, and you can have a better result, as I have found out. So I'm very happy with Alura. So that's why it's my honest opinion which I'm forwarding to you all. Thank you.